Ace. Ace. What is this? What? Oh my goodness! Oh. He's chasing me. Joey's coming across the field doing about 100 miles an hour. I should have been. Oh gosh! I should have been recording that.
Loser, we got turkeys to kill.
It's so dark in here. I can't see anything. Ugh. All right, it's day feels like day 2000 of our 10-day turkey season. I can't see anything. Your truck is so dark. Oh, okay. Long story short, we're on our way down. It's 5:30 in the morning. The goal is we are gonna go stand in a central location and try to wait for these birds to gobble. There's not a lot of turkeys in this area and there's not a lot of heavy forestry. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, bye. Oh, what's up? Ooh, girl. All right, I'm set up. I'm in the blind because it's a lot easier to film in the blind. This might end up being like a scouting trip. I don't know. They might come up 200 yards away, strut all morning, and then leave. I don't know. I can't, even though they're only like 150 yards away right now, I can't say that I'm confident. I cannot say that I'm super confident, but we'll see what happens. All right, I'm gonna get to calling. That's it. My bird. There's my bird. There it is. This is the earliest I've ever killed a bird in my life. Oh my goodness. My tripod's all crooked. Oh my goodness. What's wrong with his foot? Brusky got a big toe, bruh. What the world? Brusky got a big toe. Oh my. This puts me at filling my Indiana spring turkey tag 10 years in a row, baby. 10 years in a row. Boom. Ace. Ace. What is this? What? Oh my goodness. All right. Well, hey, me and Joey are gonna go to a different property and try to kill another turkey, okay? Okay. I love you.
I love you too, but I'm just tired.
I'll bring this turkey to Grandmama's and you can see it. All right, love you, bye. Oh goodness. Oh, he's a heavy bird. Look at that. Look at that big old turkey fan. All right, okay. All right, I can't hold the gun and the bird. Oh goodness, bro, why are you so big? All right, well, using the Benelli Nova with a Carlson's Longbeard XR choke and the Longbeard XR ammo in number 5. This is my 10th Indiana spring turkey in a row, which is incredible. To me, it feels like an incredible feat. Only 1 in 6 Indiana turkey hunters fill their tag every year. 1 in 6. And I've gone 10 in a row, so I feel really blessed. Joey's coming across the field doing about 100 miles an hour. I should have been, oh gosh. I should have been recording that.
We got turkeys to kill.
But it has a massive beard. This beard, I mean, that's gotta be more than 12 inches. Ginormous. What a beast. And he's got one massive spur on his nasty toe. Bro, this thing has a human toenail.
I know, I thought it looks like it.
Disgusting. But now we gotta get Joey a bird, so we're gonna try to hurry up and get out of here. This might be the nicest fan I've ever gotten a gobbler.
I don't know, I think we go down.
Well, just call before you put your stuff on.
Not the boss of me. If something's on camera up here, it's easier for us to get from here to up here than it is the opposite.
Oh, I got you.
I
Where was that?
didn't hear.
I heard it. It was far.
Be down in the
He's
field.
down in there. And call out from that ridge. Where was that? Down in the bottom.
That was down here, wasn't it?
Yeah. Should we go to the
That was a
drain?
full gobble.
That's way that way. Oh. I see it. They're going right to left. they're moving right to look. That is him, bro. Is that what you want to do? He's chasing me. Flashing red. Oh, right here. Yeah, it's flashing red. Don't have him yet. I don't have him yet. Where is he? I'm gonna wait. I'll shoot him. Wait for him. Wait. Wait. He's behind bush. He's behind some bushes for me. I don't see the other ones on the deck. Give it about 5 more steps. Right there.
He's a big Jake.
Oh yeah, you got him.
Yeah, he's crushed.
2 in 1 day. You got him right in the
That should
opening
be-
too.
That should be perfect.
Hopefully.
That should be.
Oh no, you made a great shot. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a super Jake.
That's dude. I told you it was.
That was probably the one that was strutting.
Here, hold that beard out a little bit though, because it looks fat. Now he was beautiful till he got himself wet out in
I
this dewy
know.
grass. Now he looks disgusting. Dang, that is a chunky beard.
So this morning we set up on a gobbler that we knew had been on the Spy Point cells a couple of times, not very frequently.
What do you mean? 3 of the past 5 days?
Prior to this week.
3 of the past 5 days.
Let's put it this
And
way.
the 2 days he wasn't there were days we were hunting.
Let's put it this way. We chose to hunt public land the first 4 days of the season because he was not consistent enough. But Joey was like, let's get on the move. It's only 6:45. Let's go over to the other lease. This is actually a property that, this is where we killed our bucks this year. And we've never killed turkeys over here. We've never even turkey hunted this property or this side of the county, or I guess this side of like where we lease. We've never turkey hunted over here. There's not a lot of birds, but sure enough, we get out here this morning, we see 3 birds going across the neighbor's property. This is the only open space we had to hunt. It's maybe 75 yards deep, 25 yards wide. This is the only place we could shoot a turkey probably in this grass patch. And they were out here in this cornfield. One of them came over here. We had a Jake strutting out there. I'm pretty confident it was a Jake strutting out in this field. So when a Jake walked up, Joey said, I'm gonna kill him. And now, when the bugs get out of my eyeball, now we can go fishing and call it a day.
Yep.
So me, Joey, and Dad all have our Indiana birds.
2 hours though, 2 birds. We got really good footage of this one.
Yeah, we should have the shot of this one. So, and Joey don't care.
Oh no, I haven't. This is my first Indiana bird, and I don't think I've killed an Indiana bird
Since you were with me.
Yeah,
Up in the bowl.
Yep. So 3 years, 4 years.
Dang.
Killed that gobbler in Kentucky 2 years ago.
Yeah. All right, that's
I
it.
strike out more often than not.
Thank you so much for being here. We appreciate it. This is what we make videos for. We should have a video dropping tonight of my PB bass. This is what we make videos for. To share our experiences, document stuff, being together, killing stuff. I mean, what is better than killing stuff with your brother?
Going fishing.
Going fishing. Where we probably
all we
won't
got
catch
left to
anything.
do.
Ooh, we can go to McDonald's.
I'm down with that. This is the smallest Jake fan I've ever killed. I'm
And Joey
not playing.
Joey did not hesitate. We saw
Oh,
it. Joey,
no,
goes,
no.
Joey goes, it's a Jake. I'm gonna shoot him. Like immediately, I couldn't even see the bird. All right, well, this bird's not gonna be good for photos.
No, he looks like a crackhead.
He's not gonna be good for photos. My bird
No,
was,
yours look
mine
good.
had some great photos. We'll still get a picture of the 2 of us together. We're gonna go up and show the landowner. He freaking loves seeing this kind of stuff, so. Huh?
I said he'll love it.
Yeah, he'll love it. He'll
love
love
it.
it. All right, we gotta get out of here. I'm tired of smelling this onion. Ugh.
Yeah, I bet he was.